Hello guys, good morning. Today is June 21, tapos it's super early in the morning. Hindi naman super, pero it's early, like 6 a.m. na. Nandito kami sa Green Hills. Tapos may exciting shoot kami later, tapos i-vlog ko yung makeover yun. As I was saying, kaya kami nandito super early in the morning kasi yung call time namin is 6 a.m. Medyo napaaga kami kasi medyo maaga rin talaga kami umalis kasi coding yung kotse ko. So ayaw namin maabutan ng super like rush hours EDSA. So nandito lang kami sa Krispy Kreme eating. So we got like the original glaze and then coffee. Hi! So we're here na dun sa building kung nasan yung Catch Leaky Lounge. Because we're just here in the elevator because sabi second floor daw. Hi! I'm here na. I'm very early. Always the early one. Hi guys! I mean, they blow-dried my hair. Like straightened it. And then nagsushoot na si Darlene there. Hello guys, just an update. Magsushoot na rin kami in a few. Si Rei muna yung sinushoot sa labas. And then, pinalitan yung outfit ko. So, whether yet... Pinakita ko ba yung kanina? Hindi ko pinakita yung red top kanina. Pero, basically, yung whole outfit pinalitan. But, yung shoes lang yung natira. And then, added some accessories. So, parang pinalitan nila with yung denim jacket ko with a beige, like, leather jacket. And then, red top. And then, white short. Tapos na yung part ng shoot, which is yung mahirap, which is a talk-through, like, video. And then, sobrang daming take namin ni Darlene and Rei. So, parang sobrang natagalan kami. It is now like 12 noon, babe. I won na. So, we're just having lunch. Burger King. Hi! Hi, Miggy. Hi, Rei. Ay, parang binibleach na nila. Hi ka sa vlog, mama. Gagawa, selfie. Ayan siya yung gumagawa ng hair ko. Pati si ate, isa kasi tumutulong siya kay Darlene.
Kailangan pilitin.
Hi! Darlene, hi. How's your hair?
Hi, Ate Ann. I'm okay.
Malapit na ang tumatapos. Ay, tatanggalin na nila yung foil. Paramihan kami ng foil.
Oo nga, padami.
Ayan, tuloy akin parang nakuryente lang. Ito si... Ayun, oo. Ang dami. Hello, ayan na siya. Tapos nakikita niya. Ayan, nakikita niya na ano, meron na siyang gray. Pero, hindi naman siya gray. Parang ash brown. Ayan, so you guys can see. Parang dito sa harap, medyo super light na lang yung pagka-bleach. That's why, ayan yung itsura niya. She is making ano siya. Ayan na. Ala, ang ganda nito.
Oo.
Ito. With the, like, parang... Anyway, hello guys. We're back at home. Already 1:46. It's almost 2 a.m. and kumain lang kami. Bumili kami ng snacks sa 7-Eleven bago kami umuwi. Kasi parang gusto lang namin, wala lang. Then drop off namin si Rei pati si Miggy dun sa condo nila. Ni Miggy, sorry. We woke up at 4 a.m. and then 2 a.m. na. 22 hours awake and then 22 hours like functioning talaga. I will just end the vlog here. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you like enjoyed watching this vlog, and then also please comment down below if you like my new hair. And thank you so much. Bye. I love you.
Hi guys! So today is a week after the vlog that you've seen, which is the makeover. So this is my hair without like styling it, like yung super normal hair ko lang. Alam nyo naman ako, I don't do anything crazy with my hair. So ganito lang siya for everyday. So ayan, makikita nyo naman na super light na ng hair ko. Before, I had ombre. If naabutan nyo sa YouTube yun na I had ombre hair, which is DIY ko lang. Kaya hindi ko siya talaga nagustuhan. And I had black short hair. And now I have this blonde looking hair. And I honestly don't know what they call this hair. It turned out to be like an ombre with an highlight thing. What I love about my hair, itong white strip dito. As in, meron lang white, yan. And that is super amazing. As in, sobrang binigyan niya ng like final touch yung hair ko. And I am honestly super satisfied with it. Along with that, nagpadala yung Dove ng like gifts for us, me, Darlene, and Rei. So we're gonna do a little unboxing for today. And so I really love this like tray. I'm thinking of a makeover for my room, which is white and gold accent. So this is very perfect. So thank you so much po, Dove. Of course, nagpadala sila ng shampoo and then conditioner. Makikita nyo dun sa video na they used this shampoo and conditioner for my hair, for our hair. This is the Dove New Intense Repair Shampoo for damaged hair. Sabi, it nourishes to repair damage and help prevent it from coming back. And then along with the gifts they sent me is a brush. Super ganda ng brush and super liit. And then, ayan, makita nyo, super sarap niya pansuklay. Ayan guys, if susuklayan ko siya, makita nyo na may white strand talaga siya. Then, they also gave us like a little face towel. Nagbigay rin sila ng travel bag. It says, my hair is my canvas. You-open din. Parang meron lang siyang mini pocket dito. Tapos, faux leather yung handle niya. And then, when you open the bag, the whole bag, or yung pinakamalaking zipper ng bag is, oops. So, you see this, parang siyang toiletry travel bag. So, may Dove siya dito. So, you can put your shampoo, your conditioner, your soap, your essentials here. Super perfect nito. I'm gonna bring this along with me kasi diba I haven't mentioned it sa Twitter pa lang na I'm going to Singapore and Malaysia next month, which is July. Mag-abang kayo ng travel vlogs. So, and then, some discounts for Emphasis Salon. So, ayan, discount lang siya. And then, of course, or lastly, is the trinket tray or yung tray na binigay nila. So, I really like it kasi may cloth din siya so you can put like accessories so it doesn't fall off dito. So, thank you so much, Dove, for the goodies. I'm very, very happy to have new shampoo for my colored hair para mas maiwasan siya ma-damage. So, as I said kanina, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga ginagamit ko to style my hair. There are only two ways when I'm styling my hair. It's either beachy waves or like this one is straight. And then for the beachy waves, I'll just post a selfie or a photo of me na beachy waves. Here it is. Makikita nyo siya first time dito sa YouTube. But yeah, papakita ko sa inyo sa screen. And then I use this curling iron for my hair. Manipis siya dito and then kumakapal siya dito. Mas natural tignan yung curly niya or yung wave niya. Then if for everyday naman, if I don't have to go to events or hindi ko feel like curling my hair, I just do this like straight hair. I just brush it pa loob. Ganyan, para maiwasan yung fly away. For the products that I'm using for my hair, which is now na may color na and then maiwasan ng damage, I use the Dove Intense Repair Shampoo. This is when I am curling my hair. Kasi sabi nila if conditioner mo yung hair, parang hindi daw kakapit yung pagka-curl. I don't know. Pero, for me, shampoo lang. When every day, like, hindi ako magka-curl, shampoo and then conditioner, which is the same, the New Intense Repair Conditioner. This is for damaged hair. And if may kulay yung hair mo, and if damaged, if dried, you should try using these products. Yeah, it really helps. As I mentioned kanina, nag-bleach ako ng hair ko. And, nasira ko siya. Kasi I really didn't know how to apply bleach and paano siya alagaan after. So, Dove shampoo and conditioner, tumutulong siya na mag-repair, mag-nourish, and protect yung hair mo from frizziness, from dryness, and then yung parang masira siya because of bleaching and coloring and other chemicals na nilalagay sa hair. And it also has keratin repair actives, which penetrates future damage sa hair. So, ayun, if takot ka rin, kagaya me, to try coloring your hair because it might damage your hair or hindi ganun bagay sa'yo or magdadry yung buhok mo, Dove wants women to know na it's okay to try new things and it's okay to try na kinakatakutan mo so you'll overcome your fear. Siyempre, enjoy your hair because it is your hair. Because when it comes to protecting and repairing your hair, all you need is Dove. Okay, so for the giveaway part, I haven't mentioned it. So I am giving away these coupons. This is Emphasis Salon dito sa Rockwell Center sa Makati. So meron siyang 20% off and 30% off for haircut plus color or highlights services. So together, pag pagsasamahin mo, 50% off. Oh my god guys, 50% off yung discount no. Kung ako sa inyo, if you really wanna try the color you like, blue, red, gray, or blonde, or pink, go for it. Syempre kasi, meron na tayong product or napakita ko na sa inyo yung product na ginagamit ko to prevent dryness and frizziness for my hair after coloring it. And syempre, dahil meron kayong discount code. So, for the mechanics, it's very simple. You just need to subscribe to this channel, like this video, follow me on my social media accounts, and then I will link in the comment box or description box the video that we made, me, Rei, and Darlene with Dove. So, panoorin yon and then give it a thumbs up as well. Don't forget to share it or then tag your friends. And then answer the question sa comment box. Why do you want to do the Dove Dare? Don't forget to leave your Twitter and Instagram handles down below because i-DM ko kayo personally via Instagram if nanalo kayo ng coupons na to. So yeah, that's it for the second part of this vlog and then I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!